Greetings out there, you're watching Prime Tech Solutions. We have here Canon TS207 and we are going to convert it into CISS or Continuous Ink Supply System. Let's remove the cartridge and we are going to make a 3.5mm hole here, here, and here. For the black cartridge, we will put it on the side, on the left side of the cartridge. Refill the color cartridge with 2 ml of ink and 5 ml for the black cartridge. Place the rubber on each hole para hindi makapasok ang hangin at hindi madaling mag-backflow yung ink. Okay, once we're done with that, we are going to refill the tank with ink. But before refilling, we need to fold the hose like this. Let us remove the clip to unfold the hose and let the ink flow through. Let us also remove the cover of the small hole so that air can enter it. Let the ink flow near the end of the hose, and when it reaches until there, fold the hose and put back the cover of the small holes. And then we are going to put back the clamp that we removed a while ago. Separate the hose for they are sticking each other, and then measure the length of the hose to the hole like this and cut the excess of the hose. If you buy a CISS kit, everything is already there. The things that you are seeing here that I'm assembling, it's all in the kit, so don't worry about them where I'm getting them. Except for the cartridge, of course, it's not included there. So the tank, the hose, the cover of the tank, the rubber, everything is already in the kit. The thing over here, this one, is the clip of the hose. You're going to attach that on the cover inside the printer to hold the hose. I'm sorry to say that I cannot show that process in this video because during that time the camera runs out of battery. Now we're done with the cartridge and the hose are all in place. Now we're going to prepare the printer. We're going to cut this part of the cover so that there will be a passage of the hose. So it's already done. This one, it looks like this. Now let's put the cartridge in place. Just gently push the cartridge until it locks, like that. Now let us measure the length of the hose where we will clip it so that the cartridge can move freely. Here, this is where we are going to put the clip that I showed you a while ago. So let us measure the length of the hose like this. Now let's get the clip. It has double-sided tape already. At this moment, this is where the camera shuts down. The only thing that was not recorded here is the attaching of the hose on the clip and attaching it to the cover. Back of this cover is where the clip was attached. I attached the tank on the side of the printer using a double-sided tape, the one with the foam. CISS installation is finished. We are just going to test print, and while we are doing that on the background, I'm going to share to you very important things you need to know in maintaining a printer converted to CISS. First, the bottom of the tank should be leveled where the bond paper is coming out. Second, the small holes of the tank should be covered if you are not using the printer for a long time and if you are going to travel the printer. And if you are going to print, you should remove the cover of the small holes. If you don't, then the ink cannot flow into the cartridge and soon the cartridge will run out of ink. Third, do not let the tank run out of ink. Once the cartridge runs out of ink and the residue of ink in the cartridge dries up, it will clog the nozzle of the cartridge. And most often times that cannot be unclogged by just using clean and deep clean in the maintenance tool. The only solution on that will be replacing the cartridge. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you want to see more videos, follow us in Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed if we have new videos. Bye-bye!